Good morning, class. Yesterday we had learned about the laws of exponents. The previous class we had learned about the laws of exponents and how to apply them in different kind of sums. Today we are going to do the sums of your book. So open your book to page number 40, exercise 2. There's only one exercise in that chapter in page number 40. The first sum that we are going to do is 2 part 1. Whatever sums I am doing over here, whatever type of sums is being done in these video lectures are the type of sums that are going to come in your exam. So there is nothing out of syllabus in the exam paper. So that time don't howl or scream that it is out of syllabus. So 2 part 1, this is the sum. You can see the sum in your book also. 2 to the power minus 1 plus 4 to the power minus 1 plus 3 to the power minus 1. All are inside a big bracket, that also to the power minus 1. Copy the sum down and see how I am solving the sum. Or you can wait, see the video first and then solve it on your own. Okay? Now, when you are now doing the exponent sums, now you have to keep in mind the laws of exponents. The one who have learned, they will only know that what is law of exponents, and the ones who are always mischievous in the class also, I know you people did not learn. So whatever, let us continue with the class. 2 to the power minus 1, I guess you people remember this formula. A to the power minus m is equals to 1 by a to the power m. I hope you people remember this formula. So you have to make the power in the form of positive sign. So how can you make the power positive? A to the power minus m, you just inverse a to the power, this is a by 1. So we just inverse this whole base. 1 by a we make it, and this power minus m then turns to positive m. Just inverse. I hope you remember this is the first law of exponents. Now we are going to apply this into this sum. So let us apply it. So 2 to the power minus 2, how I can turn it to positive? 1 by 2 to the power 1. Right? I think you understand what I am doing. 1 by 2 to the power 1. I am making this 2 to the power minus 1 as just 1 to the power 1. Positive. Plus, same thing with 4. 1 by 4 to the power minus 1 plus 1 by 3 to the power 1. I hope you people are understanding. We are changing the powers minus sign into positive sign. How? We are applying exponents first law. Now this whole thing was in the bracket to the power minus 1. Let's keep this as minus 1 only. Let us first solve inside the bracket. Now 2 to the power minus 1 means how many times 2 is there? 1 time. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 3. Because everyone had the power 1. Power 1 means only one time the number is repeating. So we are now going to add this. I know you people now know the fraction, this addition and subtraction fraction. You know how to do, how to solve these kind of sums. So you're going to find the LCM first of 2, 4 and 3. And then you are going to just solve the fraction sums. So now let us see what is the LCM of this thing. 2, 4, 3. All this sum should be inside the bracket. We did not open the bracket yet. So you will not open the bracket in between. If you open it, then the sum is wrong. So let us find 2, 4, 3's LCM. I hope you know how to find LCM now. Let us do with 2. 1, 2, this is 3. Then again with 2. 1, 1, 3. And then again with 3. 1, 1 and 1. So, what is the LCM? 2 into 2, 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 goes in 2 tables. How many times? 6 times. So, 6 into 1, 6. Plus, in 4 tables, how many times? 3. So, 3 into 1 is 3. Plus, in 3 tables, 4 times. 3 4s are 12. So, 4 into 1 is 4. Now, let us now do it again over here. So, 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 4 is, what is 9 plus 4? It is 13. So 13 by 12 to the power minus 1. Now, do you remember this formula? If I am not wrong, that was exponents rule number 2. Second law of exponent. It was P by Q to the power minus 1. How do you change this minus 1 into plus 1? You just change Q by P. Just do the inverse. So, फिर ये सिर्फ 1 हो जाता. I hope you people remember that. So same thing, see over here, P by Q to the power minus 1. So how will I change the minus 1 to plus 1? We'll just inverse whatever is inside the bracket. 12 by 13 to the power minus 1. To the power minus 1 means it is only one time. So you can write 12 by 13 to the power 1, or you can just write 12 by 13. That is also right. This is your answer. 12 by 13 is the answer. I hope you have understood how I have solved this sum. Clear? If there is any doubt, of course you are going to ask me. But you need to clear your doubts. Don't keep any doubt in studying. Okay? So next video is going to be of the next sum. Thank you. Okay, now this is question number 2, part 2. See the sum in your book. 4 to the power minus 1 minus 5 to the power minus 1 whole square. They both are in one bracket, whole square, into 5 by 8 to the power minus 1. Okay? Same thing you are going to do over here. Apply it laws of exponents. The first law of exponents, a to the power minus n is equals to 1 by a to the power m. So how you are going to solve this sum? Same thing you are going to do. You are going to solve the bracket first. 4 to the power minus 1 means 1 by 4 to the power 1. Minus 5 to the power minus 1 means 1 by 5 to the power 1. Whole square. Let this square be like that. You are not going to do anything which is outside the bracket. First, let us solve inside the bracket. Whatever is inside the bracket. Into 5 by 8 to the power minus 1. How will I change the minus 1 into positive? We just inverse. We are going to write 8 by 5 to the power only 1. So positive 1. Clear? Now, next line. Same thing. 1 by 4 to the power 1 means 1 times 4. So 1 by 4. Minus this is 1 by 5. Listen, every time I am not going to explain what is law of exponents. You people need to keep the law of exponents on your fingertips. Fingertips means cheating nahi karna hai. Yaad rakhna hai. Okay? Now, into, this is whole square, into 8 by 5 to the power 1 means 8 by 5. 8 by 5 to the power 1 means 1 मतलब एक ही बार है ये चीज. ठीक है? That is what I am doing over here in these three things. Now let us do the LCM over here. What is the LCM of 5 and 4? Every time when you do a rough work in your copy, rough work is must. Whenever you are submitting the work to me, you are going to show me the rough work. If there is no rough work, no work will be checked. So when you are doing the rough work, take the paper first and then you have to just draw a line for the rough work. First work. Keep the paper in front of you, draw a line of rough work. Then you are going to solve the sum. Whatever rough will be there will be on the rough work. You people know this, I know, but still you people make a mistake. That is why I have to repeat it again and again. So LCM of 4 and 5. First let us see with 2, then again with 2, and finally with 5. So what is the LCM? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 4 5s are 20. So 20 is the LCM. In tables 4, how much 4 is this thing? 20. How much, like, what is the number if you multiply with 4 gives 20? It is 5. So 5 ones are 5. Minus 4, 5 के tables में कितना time जाता है? 4 times. So 4 into 1, 4 whole square into, let this be like that. Okay, next line. We are getting 1 by 20 whole square into 8 by 5. Now next step, we are going to open the brackets. When we open the brackets, can you see this whole thing is square times. Abhi tak, so see this one and see this one. Over here it was to the power 1, means 1 time. That is why we have written only 1 time. Okay. Now over here it is to the power 2. That means this particular digit or this particular fraction will be 2 times repeated. Power 2, power 1, power 3 मतलब कितना बार है वो number, कितनी बार है. Okay. So that is what we are doing. So 1 by 20 to the power 2 मतलब 1 by 20 into 1 by 20 into 8 by 5. If you people have copied these sums, the beginning portions down, then I am going to just erase it. Okay. Otherwise, you people can see the video again and again if you want. I think this thing you know how to do it. Okay. So I am continuing this portion at the top. So 1 by 20 whole square मतलब 1 by 20 into 1 by 20. यहाँ पे तो बाहर था ही, into 8 by 5. Clear? So I hope you people are understanding. I am transferring this thing over here. I don't have space at the bottom, so I am doing this thing over here. So I am putting an arrow so that you people understand. This is from here to here. Clear? Now, so 1 by 20 into 1 by 20 into 8 by 5. Now you have to do this thing, reducing. See, multiplication sign is in between. Now you can do reducing. So let us see with 2. So this 2 4s are is 8, 2 10s are 20, right? Then 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are, this is 2 10s are. I hope you people are understanding what am I doing. Okay, so I am just reducing over here. I did it with 2 first. Clear? The ones who know, they know. These are very basic things. If you don't know this, I don't know what to do with you. Okay, now whatever is remaining at the top, 1 into 1 into what is over here? Again a 1. At the bottom, at the denominator, 10 into 5 into 5. अब इसे multiply करो. 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. 5 5s are 25. 25 10s are 250. This is your answer. I hope you people understood how to do this sum. 1 by 250 is your answer. Clear? Thank you. Okay, so this is sum number 2 part 3. Look into your book. Sum number 2 part 3. 4 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power 2 minus 2 to the power 3. This is in a bracket into 3 to the power minus 2. That is outside the bracket. Clear? So now over here you are going to apply another exponent law, and that is, I hope you people remember the most easiest law, a to the power 0 equals to 1. Anything to the power 0 means 1. Okay, we are going to apply this law over here because that is the only different thing over here. Clear? So let us solve the brackets first, obviously. So 4 to the power 0 matlab 1 plus 4 to the power 2 matlab 2 कितने बार है? 2 बार. 4 to the power 2 matlab 2 times there are 4. So in the bracket you can write 4 into 4 minus 2 to the power 3. How many times 2 is repeating? 3 times. So 2 into 2 into 3. Always put, 2 into 2 into 2. Extremely sorry. Now, remember, there will be multiplication sign in between. Like an idiot, don't put a plus sign over there and ask for marks. Clear? 4 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3 means how many times 4 and 2 is repeating. Only and only if the power over here is 0, then only the answer is 1. Clear? From power 1 till 100, how many times it is repeating, that it signifies that. This number over here signifies how many times the number is being repeated with a multiplication sign in between, not plus or division. So this was inside the square bracket into, outside the square bracket, 3 to the power minus 2. Again, a to the power minus m equals to 1 by a to the power m. So 1 by 3 to the power 2. Okay? Every time I will not repeat this. This is just for the beginning I am repeating. After this I am going to start solving the sums. You people should know what ma'am is using over here. Okay. Now next line, 1 plus, let us solve the bracket. 4 4s are 16. Minus 2 into 2 is 4. 4 2s are 8. Into, bahar pe 3 square. Again, 3 square means 3 into 3. Clear? Now next line, let us solve this bracket. 1 plus 16 is 17. So 17 minus 8. How much is coming? 17 minus 8. It is how much? It is 9. Into 1 by 3 3s are 9. Clear? Now let us open this bracket. 9 into 1 by 9. क्या करना अभी? Reducing. 9 ones are 9 ones are. ठीक है? So we are going to get 1 into 1 divided by 1. Answer is 1. Is it simple? I think it is simple. The ones who understand, for them it is simple. The ones who are dull always, they will not find it simple. They are going to find a way to cheat, isn't it? Okay. Now let us do our next sum. While you are solving this in your copy, if you feel that I have erased it, then how you are going to copy it? Of course, you know, I guess this is technology time. You know this, that you can pause the video and see the solution. Okay, how I have done. Whatever sums I am doing, you are going to copy it down in your copy. I want every copy to be filled up with the sums. And the homeworks will be given, will be posted in the group. You are going to solve the homework and give me back the homework. You are going to submit the homework, not the classwork. Keep this in mind. These are classwork. I am solving this sum on the board. So there is nothing to give me back. you will submit the homework which is going to be posted in the group at the end of all the videos are posted. Clear? Okay, now whatever you don't understand, you are going to ask me that, of course. Let us do the next sum, that is in your book 4 part 1, sum number 4 part 1. This sum you are going to do 4 part 1. It is saying that express 16 to the power minus 2 as the power with base 2. Okay, they are telling you to express 16 to the power minus 2 as the base 2. You have to change. Base matlab kya? On the very first day of starting this exponents and powers, I told you this is base, this is power, isn't it? I told you this. So you have to change the base in the form of 2. तुमको 16 को 2 करना है, ठीक है? तो how you are going to do it? So you will do prime factorization method. Okay, find the factors of 16. 2s are 8, 2s are 4, again 2s are 2, 2s are 1. कितना टाइम्स 2 रिपीट हो रहा है? 1 2 3 4, 4 टाइम्स. If I multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times if I multiply 2, then I'm going to get 16. So you have to change the 16 in the form of 2. So how can I write? Can't I write like this? 2 to the power 4. बाहर पे जैसे minus 2, let it be minus 2. Did you understand what I did over here? I changed 16 as 2. हमको base को 16 से 2 बनाना था. अब 2 हम सिर्फ नहीं लिख सकते है ना. I have to keep the 2 in the form of 16 only. It means अगर 2 को हम लोग 4 बार मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो 16 आंसर आएगा. That is how we have changed it into 2. I hope you people are understanding. अगर आपको 4 कहा जाता तो आप कैसे करते? I think you know 4 into 4 is equals to 16. So you have to write 4 to the power 2. 4 to the power 2 is 16. So I am changing 16 in the form of 4. Over here in the question, in your book, it is written, you have to change 16 in the form of 2. So this is how we change 16 in the form of 2. You cannot change the value of 16 into some other value. You have to keep the value 16. But तुमको 2 के form में लिखना है. So how will I keep in 2's form? 2 to the power 4 is 16. ठीक है? What do you mean by 2 to the power 4? Means 4 times 2 is being multiplied. Clear? So now I have changed the base in the form of 2. Clear? Now let us open the bracket. I hope you people remember this formula. A to the power m, बाहर पे n है. So what did we do? A to the power m into n. We were opening the bracket and we were multiplying the powers. Over here also see m, n. So we are going to open the bracket. So when we open the bracket, तो bracket के बाहर क्या रहेगा? 4 into minus 2. ठीक है? Keep the minus. There is nothing to fear. Let the minus be there. Clear? So now we are going to multiply the power. Now again I am telling you, power को ऐसे लिखना है कि ताकि ऊपर में रहे, नीचे मत लिखो power. ठीक है? Power ऊपर top corner में होगा. Clear? So now let us multiply this power. 4 into 2 is 8. 4 2 is 8. There is a minus sign. So it means 2 to the power minus 8. Clear? I hope in class 6 also you people have done. In class 7 also you people have studied integers. Over there you people know that plus minus gives minus. Isn't it? So over here 4 का क्या था? Plus था. कुछ नहीं रहना मतलब plus sign. So it was a plus. And over here 2 had minus. So plus minus minus. ठीक है? 4 2 is 8. Clear? So 2 to the power minus 8. So now how we are going to do? Again a to the power minus m equals to 1 by a to the power m. Exponent law 1. That is what I am going to apply. 1 by 2 to the power 8. I hope you people are understanding what I am doing over here. What am I doing over here? 2 to the power minus 8, I am changing it into positive sign. So 1 by 2 to the power of 8. Clear? This is your answer. No need to solve it again because in the question they did not tell you to solve. They did not tell you to find the answer. They just told you transfer 16 in the form of 2. ठीक है? I had done it in the form of 2. Finally, I have kept my answer in form of 2 only. और इसको further solve करने की जरूरत नहीं है. अगर if they had told you that and solve, उस क्वेश्चन जो बुक में जो क्वेश्चन दिया हुआ है उसके फुल स्टॉप के बाद अगर लिखा रहता था कि फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन आल्सो और सॉल्व इट, देन यू हैड टू सॉल्व दिस पार्ट. लिखा नहीं है तो मतलब बस दिस इज द आंसर. Did you understand this question? I hope you understood, and if there is any kind of doubt, you are going to ask your doubt. Don't stay in doubt. Okay, the next videos are going to be of the next sums today's. Okay, this is today's last sum. 6 part 3. Look into the book. Question number 6 part 3. It's a huge sum. I was thinking to give this in the homework, but after all you people are going to message me कि मैम आपको easy कर दिए, difficult किए नहीं. So see this sum very carefully. Okay, this is a very lengthy sum. Look, match it from your book. 3 to the power minus 5 into 3 square division 3 to the power minus 6 plus in the bracket 2 square into 3 whole square plus 2 by 3 to the power minus 1 plus 2 to the power minus 1 plus 1 by 19 to the power minus 1. This is the sum. So let us solve the sum. I'll do it in part wise. So might be I'll erase the board and then again I'll just start writing. So you people use your technical knowledge. You are going to pause the video, then copy it down whatever I have copied, and then again start the video. See the next portion. Clear? Okay. Now we are going to solve this sum. There is nothing to get scared about this sum. We are going to solve stepwise. Let us first solve this part. 3 to the power minus 5 into 3 square. How we are going to solve it? Again 3 to the power minus 5. A to the power minus m. Exponent law 1. 1 by 3 to the power 5 into 3 square matlab 3 into 3. Okay? Let us keep this in the bracket. We are going to solve this portion first. Let the other portions be however they are. We are not going to change them now. We are not going to keep ourselves confused about this portion. Write it down just the way it is written. Okay. Now, 3 to the power 5 matlab 3 कितने बार है? 5 बार. So, 1 by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 5 times 3 into 3 into 3 was at the top. Clear? In the bracket. Let us cancel 3. 1 3 gone. The second 3 gone. कितना बचा अभी 3? Only 3. 3 times 3 is there. I hope you people are understanding. Once you start solving, then only you will understand. 3 to the power minus 6 plus 2 square into 3 whole square plus 2 by 3 minus 1 plus 2 to the power minus 1 plus 1 by 19 to the power minus 1. Clear? Now, let us solve over here. 1 by 3 बार 3 है. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So, over here inside the bracket it is 1 by 27. यहाँ पे तो 1 हो गया, so no need of writing 1. Now, let us talk about this portion now. Let us talk about this portion. ठीक है? Divided by 3 to the power minus 6. Divided by 3 to the power minus 6 मतलब exponent law 1. 1 by 3 to the power 6. Clear? If you know exponents law, then only you will understand what am I doing. So you need to learn up the laws. Okay. Now plus, let us solve this bracket inside the bracket. Let us solve us. Okay. 2 square. 2 square मतलब 2 into 2 into 3 एक ही बार है. Whole square बाहर है, रहने दो. Plus p by q to the power minus m. Exponent law 2. So what we are going to do? We are just going to inverse 3 by 2 to the power सिर्फ 1, positive 1. Plus again 2 to the power minus 1, a to the power minus n, law 1. So 1 by 2 to the power 1. Plus again p by q to the power minus m. Change करो, positive बनाओ. 19 by 1 to the power 1. 19 by 1 भी लिख सकते हो या फिर सिर्फ 19 भी लिख सकते हो, दोनों राइट है. ठीक है? Now let us do over here. 1 by 27 division 1 by 3 to the power 6 मतलब कितना बार 3 रहेगा? 6 बार. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 6 times. 6 times 3 is over here. Okay? Plus inside this bracket 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. 12 whole square. Plus यहाँ पे जैसे वैसे रहने दो 3 by 2 और 1 नहीं लिखने वाले. 3 by 2 to the power 1 मतलब 3 by 2 एक ही बार. So now plus 1 by 2 2 to the power 1 मतलब एक ही बार 2. So 1 by 2. ठीक है? Plus लास्ट में यहाँ पे है 19. 19 by 1 to the power 1 मतलब सिर्फ 19. 19 by 1 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. नीचे कुछ नहीं लिखना मतलब it is divided by 1. Till now you have done maths till class 8. So now I hope you people understand. Nothing written below 19 means it is 1. Clear? Now let us solve over here. 1 by 27. डिवीजन को जब हम लोग मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन में चेंज करते हैं क्या हो जाता है? नीचे वाला ऊपर चले जाता है. ठीक है? सेकंड क्वांटिटी का ये वाला नहीं, 1/27 नहीं चेंज होगा, वो जैसे रहेगा वैसे ही होगा, लेकिन यहाँ पे सेकेंड क्वांटिटी जो है वो उल्टा हो जाएगा, इनवर्स हो जाएगा। सो मतलब ये 3 सब ऊपर चला जाएगा, 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 3 इंटू 3, 6 बार 1 2 3 4 5 6 टाइम्स द 3 गोज अप, डिवाइडेड बाय 1 लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, ठीक है। प्लस 12 स्क्वायर, 12 स्क्वायर मतलब कितना बार 12 है, 2 टाइम्स, सो इन द ब्रैकेट 12 इंटू 12 प्लस ये लोग जैसे वैसे ही रहने दो, 3/2 प्लस 1/2 प्लस 19, इन लोग को अभी हम लोग सॉल्व नहीं करने वाले, ठीक है। नाउ लेट अस डू दिस पार्ट, लेट अस डू दिस पोर्शन, कैंसिल होगा, रिड्यूसिंग, लेट अस डू विद 3, 3 1s are 3 9s are, यहाँ पे फिर और एक है 3 1s are 3 3s are, 3 1s are 3 1s are, कितना 3 बचा, देखो सिर्फ 3 बच रहा है, ठीक है। When you are going to do it in your copy, you will see it for yourself only. Try to solve it in a register copy. So in one page only it will fit. My board is not so long, so that is why I cannot fit it in one one go. I cannot complete it, but you can complete in one go if you use a register copy. So over here you can see there are 3 3s left. So 3 into 3 is 9. 9 3s are 27. हुआ, ये पूरा ब्रैकेट सॉल्व हो गया। ब्रैकेट में सिर्फ 27 है, 1/27 नहीं, सिर्फ 27, ठीक है, बिकॉज देखो नीचे 1 आ गया है, तो मतलब नीचे 1 मतलब नथिंग, सो 3 into 3 is 9, 9 3s are 27 inside the bracket. I will transfer this thing on the top. I am erasing the top portion. I will transfer this on top. See how I am going to do. Continue the sum. You are going to pause the video and write it down in your copy, and then see the other part of the video. Okay, now let us from here, I'm going to write it over here. So यहाँ पे bracket में कितना बचा था, 27. So inside the bracket it was only 27. Outside the bracket plus 12 12s are 144. Tables जिसका strong है उसको पता है, अगर नहीं है तो रफ में करो, कैलकुलेटर मत यूज करो। 144 plus 3/2 plus 1/2 plus लास्ट में था 19, ठीक है। Now let us open the brackets. 27 plus 144 plus 3/2 plus 1/2 plus 19. Now let us find the LCM over here. Fraction का addition है, LCM तो 2 ही होगा, 2 और 2 नीचे है और तो कोई नीचे है नहीं, तो if you want you can do it in the rough work also. 2 with 2 I am doing, so 1 आ गया, तो सिर्फ 2 is the LCM, so I am writing 2 over here. 2 यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, मतलब यहाँ पे 1 है, तो 1 के टेबल्स में 2 कितना टाइम्स जाता है, 1 2s are 2, so 2 27s are 54 प्लस यहाँ पे भी सेम केस है, तो जस्ट डायरेक्टली मल्टीप्लाई 144 with 2, so 2 144s are 288 प्लस 2 के घर पे 2 कितना बार जाता है, एक बार, 2 1s are, so 1 3s are 3 प्लस अगेन 2 1s are 2, so 1 1s are 1 प्लस यहाँ पे भी सेम थिंग, 19 के नीचे कुछ है नहीं मतलब 1 है, तो डायरेक्टली मल्टीप्लाई 2 with 19, 19 2s are 38. So what you are going to do, you are going to add whatever is on the top. You can do it in the rough work. Let us add this. 54, 288, 3, 1 and 38. बस ठीक तरह से बिठाना. Unit, tens मतलब hundreds ठीक तरह से बिठाना. उल्टा पुल्टा बिठा के फिर wrong answer मत लिखना. Okay. 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12, 12 plus 8 is 20, 20 plus 4 is 24. So 4 toward the up, 3 8, it is 11, 16, 17, 18, 1 at the up, 3, 384. So you are getting over here 384 by 2. Clear? I hope you understood. We just did fraction ka addition. This so you people are doing it from class 6 onwards. So fractions division addition I have done. I have got the answer 384 by 2. Now let us see whether it get reduced by 2 or not. It will, because last में यहाँ पे 4 है, यहाँ पे 2 है, तो it will get reduced by 2. So 2 1s are, यहाँ पे होगा 292. So this is, the answer is 192. 192 is your answer. You will write it down like this. Answer. पास में लिखना कि ये आंसर है. ठीक है? The teacher will not hunt down your answer. You are going to mention that this is my answer. If you want, you can keep this in a box also. 192 in a box also you can keep. So 192 is your answer. Look, I know it nicely. The tables are strong for me, so I know this is 192. If you do not know, रफ में division करो, divide करो 2 के साथ 384. You are going to get 192. Clear? So my answer is 192 over here. So this sum was a little lengthy, I know, but it was very easy also. Okay? You just have to remember the laws of exponents. Over here we did not use any different kind of laws. We just used the first law and the second law only. There were no other laws involved. Other laws are going to be involved in the next sums that we are going to do in the next class. So today's class ends over here. The homework will be posted in the group. Those homeworks you are going to solve and submit me in my WhatsApp number. I will give the number also. You are going to submit over there. There is no need to write the classwork in your copy and submit it to me. You just write it down and keep it for yourself. There is nothing to submit the classwork to me. You will submit only the homework. I am repeating this word because some people are so foolish. They will send me the classwork also. I only want the homework. You are going to solve the complete sum and submit it to me. I'll check it and see whether it is wrong or not. Clear? This is the way only that your doubts is going to be cleared. Otherwise, no. And if there is any doubt, if you cannot understand through WhatsApp, if you want to call me, yes you may. But from 10 AM to 8 PM. उसके बाद नहीं. Clear? Okay, thank you class.